Hello, friends. The trade of the week is to not do a trade of the week. We're going to call cash, C-A-S-H, not a symbol, but a position. Hold on to your cash this week. May have seen some of the news. Catching a falling knife is really not something we want to do in this type of technical breakdown. That was the IWM, the Russell 2000. But we're going to focus here on the SPY S&P 500. Notice it's the weekly chart. All right, there's a W under there. Weekly chart is giving us something to look at here, and I've already drawn a portion of it. The top of this weekly candle is an anchored VWAP. That gives us a chance to show an anchored VWAP chart on our trade ideas from the top, and also this bottom spike, this weekly bottom spike. And now we've got what's called a pinch play. And by the way, we're going to be having Brian Shannon on from Alpha Trends March 30th. Keep an eye on your email. We're going to have an excellent webinar. He and his book are going to explain how to use anchored VWAP. But I learned this from him. I learned this from the book. Again, we're on a weekly chart here, and the pinch play is the anchored VWAP from the top of that high back there, and the bottom part is from the low of that weekly low. So we have a simple visual, which is called a pinch play. Now we have the weekly candle, which just closed Friday, under this pinch play. So that gives us an indication of where the further movement could go. Now, you might be following the news on the weekend, trying to judge what's going to happen on Monday. Nobody really knows. We could gap down, we could gap up, just play the action, see how the market reacts to what's happening with this SVB failure. And again, cash is the trade of the week. Good luck out there. Don't forget to manage risk. And if you are going to play the volatility, just play it with small size. There's no need to be a hero. Good luck.